Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you want to install Call of Duty Mobile, but you can't seem to find it on Google Play Store for Vivo Y16. And to do this, first let's try opening Google Play Store and finding our game right here. But as you can see, there's no real game that we're looking for. And to fix this, we'll need to go back, click on your profile picture, navigate to the settings and enter family. Here select parental controls and either disable them entirely or go for apps and games and enter your PIN. Increase PG to at least 16, make sure to save the settings afterwards. And now if you go back and try to find this game, it should be right here on the top and you can install it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.